What's up, guys? Today is the day that we go out and watch Toxic. Bunch of toxic people watching Toxic.
हम तीनों जो हैं वी आर व्लॉगिंग आवर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गोइंग एंड वाचिंग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हाइप्ड फिल्म्स ऑफ द ईयर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट फिल्म्स ऑफ द ईयर, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल फिल्म्स ऑफ द ईयर, जिसका नाम है टॉक्सिक.
Toxic kind of day.
So, Toxic. What are we looking forward to? Man, honestly, the initial few trailers, teasers were not that promising. Didn't look that cool, that good. They kept changing their freaking release date, right? तो पहले तो धुरंधर के साथ आई थिंक धुरंधर 2 के साथ आनी थी, तो उसके बाद एक और महीना पुश हो गया, फिर एक और महीना पुश हो गया, एक और महीना पुश हो गया, ऐसे करते करते 7-8 महीने पुश होके गए. अब जाके सर अगस्त में रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं अपनी मूवी. And I know for a fact that Abbas is very excited about Geetu Mohandas. Isn't that the director?
And I've heard very good things about Geetu Mohandas's previous work. So I am going with a very fresh, open mind about the movie. जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि ये फिल्म आज रिलीज हुई है, करीब 6:30 बज रहे हैं, तो बहुत सारे रिव्यूज ऑनलाइन आ चुके हैं इस फिल्म के. बट आई हैव केप्ट अवे फ्रॉम देम बिकॉज आई वांट टू गो इन विद अ फ्रेश माइंड.
अपने को एक्चुअली ज्यादा मालूम नहीं है कि टॉक्सिक में होने के वाला है. ये समझ में आ रहा है कि चलो ठीक है, बाप और बेटी की कहानी होगी और बाप ने अपनी जवानी में बतेरी बेकार चीज़ें करी होंगी, जिसमें से एक बच्चा जो होगा वो अपनी माँ का बदला ले रहा होगा. ओ बाय द वे, ऐसा फिट चेक कैसे देते हैं? ऐसा फिट चेक ये हाँ, एनीवे तो बाप और बेटे की कहानी होगी जिसमें बाप ने अपनी जवानी में बहुत सारे कुकर्म करे होंगे और बेटा जो होगा वो निकल के बदला लेगा.
Let's see what the Google plot summary is of Toxic. It goes Toxic 2026. Action adventure. 3 hours 14 minutes. What? 3 hours 14 minutes. That's a long movie. I hope it's good, man. I really hope it's good. It says Toxic, a fairy tale for grown-ups. Set in a bygone era, this gripping tale unfolds in the coastal paradise of Goa, where a powerful drug cartel pulls the strings behind a facade of sun-soaked beaches and vibrant culture. What are my predictions? I have no idea. I don't know what to expect. Not really much. It's some father-son story. I think Yash is playing a double role and he looks unrecognizable without a beard, because the first time I saw the trailer where he's shown without the beard, I did not recognize him at all.
बाय द वे, वेरी गुड मार्केटिंग बाय फिलिप्स. मैं ऐसा पेशे से मार्केटिंग में काम करता हूँ, तो वेरी गुड मार्केटिंग बाय फिलिप्स कि जब यश ने अपनी दाढ़ी इतने टाइम से बढ़ा रखी थी एंड इट वाज आइकॉनिक बियर्ड, तो जब उसको इस फिल्म के लिए ये करना था, शेव करना था, तो फिलिप्स ने क्या किया? फिलिप्स ने बोला कि जब आप शेव करो उसको डॉक्यूमेंट करो और फिलिप्स की ट्रिमर से आप ट्रिम करो. सो या दैट बिकेम लाइक अ गुड advertisement.
Okay, so we're looking forward to it. All three of us have full days of work ahead, and I think we're going to be watching it at night. I have a 10:15 or a 10:45 p.m. show, one of them at our city mall, Ghatkopar. I'll be picking up Kirti, who'll be coming along first with me. Yeah, we'll be showing you the whole theater going experience for Toxic from inside our city mall, Ghatkopar.
I am going to watch this film ka 9:05 p.m. show in Vadala. It's one of the very few shows that I could find in Mumbai in the Kannada language, क्योंकि यश जो है वो कन्नड़ा सुपरस्टार है और ये फिल्म भी जो है ओरिजिनली इज अ कन्नड़ा प्रोडक्शन. आई वांटेड टू वॉच इट इन द ओरिजिनल कन्नड़ा. हालांकि मैंने सुना है कि इट वाज सब्सिक्वेंटली शॉट इन बोथ कन्नड़ा एंड इंग्लिश टुगेदर, बट मैं कन्नड़ा वाला वर्जन देखने जा रहा हूँ. अब यहाँ दो चीज़ें हैं. आई होप द कन्नड़ा शो हैज़ इंग्लिश सबटाइटल्स, क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं होगा तो मुझे भाग के फिर हिंदी डब वाला जो शो है नेक्स्ट उसमें बैठना पड़ेगा.
और हमने सोचा गाइस कि हम इतने कूल हैं, राइट? पीपल वांट टू सी आवर व्लॉगिंग मूवी गोइंग एक्सपीरियंस, राइट? So what we're doing is something interesting. The three of us are going to watch the movie separately because we can't stand to be around each other more than we have to, right? Yes. Who wants that? Three of us are going to vlog the experiences separately and then join them together into a mega vlog of sorts. And the reason we're doing that is just because we all three have full days of work and then we won't be able to reach a central place for all of us to be able to watch the movie together. Unfortunately not, but hey, hopefully there's a next movie coming about, hopefully soon, and hopefully it has Janvi Kapoor on it, so that we all three can watch it and shit on it together. That would be cool, right? Toxic, by the way, also stars all these women, they have the ladies and ladies trailer, right? It has, I think Nayan Tara's there, Tara Sukaria's there, Kiara Advani. Who else is there? Yeah? And a couple of others, right? Disha Patni is there? No. Disha Patni is not there. Is Tabu there? Huh. I hope it'll be good. I hope it'll be interesting. Hope the plot makes sense. Action is slick. I hope all of that, because it's a 3 hour 14 minutes fucking movie, dude. Now don't make me sit through a bad movie which is 3 hour 14 minutes long. Please. Please. You get it.
मिल गई चाबी भाई, फटफट से अपन बैठ गए गाड़ी में और अब बस ऑफिस पहुंच जाए। यार एक्चुअली होता क्या है ना, मैं बताता हूँ। ऑफिस में अपने को मारना होता है चेक इन पहले, ठीक है, और अगर वो चेक इन एक सर्टेन टाइम से लेट हो जाता है तो फिर वो सबके ऑफिस में होता होगा ना यार ये सब, तो इसलिए थोड़ी टेंशन हो जाती है चाबी वाबी अगर भूल जाए अपन तो। बट ठीक है, निकल गए, क्या बात है, टॉक्सिक काइंड ऑफ डे।
Okay, so I just booked tickets to Toxic today, and it is about 1:15 in the afternoon. I realized that, dude, they have started this new thing where you can choose the best seats. There's like the best seat thing. You can see the screen recording of that here. And what the fuck, dude? This is just they're just priming us. You know what's happening, right? This is priming us to be able to charge us more for those seats pretty soon, if they're not already doing that in some version. I've heard PVR is somewhat doing that, or maybe not, maybe I'm wrong, that they're not already doing that, but they will be pretty soon, which is crazy. But also, who wants center seats? I always go for the corner seats, dude. You know, from the college days when you would go on a date and those corner seats were, you know, for those things. You let me know, what do you guys usually do? Do you go for the corner seat as well, or do you prefer the center, bang in the center seats?
ओए जी ओए, मैं गया 8 घंटे हुए जॉब के, अब होंगे 4 घंटे पैशन के। मैं गया हेलो भाई, निकल गए जॉब से तो निकल गए। अब टाइम हो रहा है 6:17। अब अपन जाएंगे मोस्टली कोई 7 PM शो। भाई टिकटें बहुत महंगी हैं भाई, KBC जाके जीतने पड़ेंगे सवाल, और तब जाके भाई कोई टिकट शायद अफोर्ड कर पाए।
And I've just left from my day job for the movie. No, there's still like 3 hours left for the movie. Gotta head home first, which will take about an hour.
Okay, bro, I was ready to leave for Toxic के लिए मैंने Guns N' Roses की टी-शर्ट पहनी है। हालांकि ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स की पहनी चाहिए थी, बिकॉज वन ऑफ हर फेवरेट और वन ऑफ हर बिगेस्ट हिट्स वाज टॉक्सिक। बट चलो, ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स नहीं तो Guns N' Roses ही सही। एंड या, आई विल सी यू एट द सिनेमा।
Okay, guys, I've picked Kirti up on our way to the movie, to the theater. Again, so what do you think, baby? Have you seen over the course of the day?
Yeah. I
Have you
didn't
seen
want
reviews
to.
and all?
Yes, I did see reviews.
And कैसा लग रहा है?
I didn't read them up or watched any video. I just saw the headlines, and it doesn't look good.
Okay, guys, कीर्ति के हाथ में इंजरी है, उसने ऐसे जैसे कोई
और माइक है
gloves नहीं
मैं ऐसे
पहने।
दिखा नहीं रही हूँ कि मेरे को चोट लगी।
हाँ, because brave lady. कैसी लग रही है? Like, what are your anticipations, or what are you looking forward to in Toxic? कैसी लग रही है?
मैंने headlines देख लिए हैं, and I don't think it's good.
Okay.
तो मैं बास्किन रॉबिन्स खाऊंगी थिएटर।
तुमने reviews देख लिए हैं कि headlines देख ली हैं?
हेडलाइंस देख लिए रिव्यूज की।
Okay. I saw one review,
हाँ।
and it was like a spoiler-free review. I purposely watched a spoiler-free review, and they were like, Yash in the movie is good, but the movie as a whole is just quite blah.
Okay.
And action is good, is what I've heard. So I'm hoping that's the case, because that would be nice. Have you seen KGF Chapter 2, by the way?
I've seen the first one, not the second.
You have seen the first one. I've not seen either of them.
Oh, the first one is really good.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So then why did you not watch the second one?
Because I heard it's not that good.
Oh, acha.
And I didn't
But
make it
that's
that
one of the highest grossers ever, man. I thought
Yeah,
it would be
it
good.
is. Because the first one was so good. Just like Pushpa.
Guys, looks like we are going to be late for the movie. It's a 10:15 p.m. show. It is 10:01 right now, and the main route to our city mall was choke blocked, showing close to a half an hour more.
Pause nahi
Is so we have tried to take an alternate route that it's asking us to take or telling us to take,
But I
which
have
also
faith in this
is
alternate
I'm
route, I
skeptical
have to
about
say.
because यहाँ पे तो पुलिस की गाड़ियाँ दिख रही है यार.
और ये पूरा ये भी ब्लॉक्ड ही है.
ओए होए.
Oof, I think we are going to be late.
Are they gonna be late? Shit यार.
Shit यार, मुझे मैकालू टिक्की खानी थी.
हाँ यार. मूवी किसको बढ़िया है? यार.
एक मैकालू टिक्की, एक बास्किन रॉबिन्स.
One French fries यार. नहीं ये ब्लॉक्ड है.
Oh fuck.
ओए भाई.
You turn लो फिर यहाँ से देखो ये ले रहे हैं.
No wonder dude.
No wonder.
No wonder हर जगह ट्रैफिक है.
अब तो मैं
दिखाओ इनको दिखाओ ब्लॉक्ड है ये. हम we're not making it up.
Why will we make it up?
मूवी 1 मिनट में शुरू होने वाली है. It's 10:14 right now and we are starting at 10:15. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, you got it. The time is 10:14. Movie starts at 10:15. Hopefully we are hoping कि ये थोड़ा एड वाड दिखा दें. नहीं तो मज़ा आ जाए. पकड़ो मुझे. तो थोड़ा मज़ा आ जाए. You know. क्या अपने आप को कट आउट नहीं कर देते हो क्या तुम? मेरे को आना ही नहीं है मेरे को. क्या क्या ये मेरा अकेला गाड़ी चला रहा है यार. कैमरामैन पार्थ. आज के ही दिन रिलीज करनी थी यश भाई. क्या ये सब भाई भाई बुलाते रहते हैं. क्या यश भाई? मैं जानता भी नहीं उसको. क्या यश भाई यार?
I think हमें ट्रैफिक ने अफेक्ट किया है.
Oh shit. What is that fancy bro?
बहुत भागा दौड़ी हो गए भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा भाग लिए. एक्चुअली 7 बजे का शो देखने वाला था मैं, बट मैं 6:40 पे पहुंचा. बच गया. ट्रेलर ही चल रहा है अभी. बच गया.
ओके भाई, आ गए हैं हाक्सिक देखने के लिए.
Okay, it is now 10:40. We are entering for a 10:15 p.m. show. We are entering the theater at 10:40 p.m. Yes, that is us. That's what happens. Adam, rushing. There's no time. Movies खोल दो, ticket खोल दो. Ticket खोली हुई है. Great. She knows what's to be done. There we go. Quick. Which screen? Which screen?
Screen
But they knew you were hungry or?
3.
Screen 3?
हाँ. Q1890.
Screen 3. Fast. इंटरवल हो गया गाइस.
मैडम एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी
और
ऐसे ही होगा.
एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइसी
ये एड चल रही है and hopefully our voice is audible over that. Say hello.
Hi.
Can you guys hear us? तो इंटरवल हो गया है. मेरे हिसाब से तो मूवीज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. It's not
स्पाइसी लगी.
it's okay only अभी तक तो. And there's a lot of action, but I feel some of the action gets repetitive because there's no emotion attached to it, dude. Like we know what's gonna happen. He's gonna beat everyone's asses. How many times can we just see that again and again? dude?
जिंदगी में अच्छा बुरा
बंगला.
सब जान
It's not Bhoot Bangla bad. Yes, that's true, but that's a very low bar.
I mean the bar.
जान के अनजान
yeah, but
बता-
that's
The bar is low.
मैंने
Yeah, but
सोचा,
that's very low.
जाते याद
Was
दिलाते,
आवारापन to
ताकि
better than
पूरी जिंदगी इग्नोर नहीं याद रखोगे मुझे भी.
This is more engaging.
और
In the sense like the
बातों
edits,
को।
because the
यदि
edits are
आप इन
faster, they
कारणों में
doesn't
से
let
किसी
give you that
के
much
भी
time to
संपर्क
think.
में आए हैं, तो
So that way it's
नजदीकी
good.
सरकारी अस्पताल
But that
में
doesn't
HIV
make
की जांच
it
गुप्त और मुफ्त
good.
करवाएं.
No,
You know,
I'm just saying the bar
it's
is
just
low.
about fine
Bar
average,
is
yeah,
low,
whatever. You
so
know,
this is okay.
Also, like-
I'm not dying. At
Yeah,
least
also-
till now I'm not dying.
correct. Also, we must say that we missed. I feel like maybe like 5 to 10 minutes of it.
So what I think we've missed is just a minor one action sequence of the young Yash, and
Okay.
then he goes into flashback.
Oh, just an introductory act to
Yeah,
actually
yeah.
the young Yash.
So I think that
Before
we have not missed anything major, I guess.
Okay, we entered exactly at
Imagine a world.
the trailer में जो वो पार्ट है ना कियारा अडवाणी चिल्ला रही है कि वो हमसे नफरत करते हैं.
But an idol,
That's when we entered, right? That's exactly when we entered.
it takes a drop of hype.
Oh, John bhai.
hyperweight.
ओए होए कौन आ गया भाई?
लेगिंग्स है मैम, पर
ये क्या है बकवास यार, आजा ते लोग ऐसे
लेगिंग्स तो लेगिंग्स होते हैं मैम।
क्या है?
जैसे हर कॉपी
ये-
प्रेस नहीं होती, वैसे हर लेगिंग्स नायरा नहीं होती।
और हर एक्ट्रेस
Leggings, bro.
जानवी हो नहीं सकती, कोई भी एक्ट्रेस जानवी नहीं होती। ओ भाई कार्तिक भी आ गया, लो क्या बैड एक्ट्रेस का झुंड लगा है यहाँ पे एड्स में। At the interval I've come to buy some snacks to be a little hungry. Also getting some French fries, some nachos and stuff, you know. Yeah, the movie is okay up to now. Nothing great, you know. But that was again to be expected. It's not like I was expecting some mind-blowing fucking bonanza or something, you know. I was just expecting like it's a very mid movie. Yeah, there'll be a lot of action, and they're not disappointing with that. There is a lot of action, even if you don't want it, you know. And to the point where it gets a little tiring. The action, इतना भी action की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पर अब क्या करें भाई, वो मास पिक्चर ऐसी होती है, मास।
अभी इंटरवल हुआ है, अभी निकला हूँ हॉल से, बहुत ज़रूरी था ये ब्रेक। थैंक यू इंटरवल डालने के लिए इस फिल्म में। उफ, इतना खुश कभी नहीं हुआ मैं इंटरवल को देख के, पता है। जस्ट टू सम अप द क्वालिटी एंड माई फीलिंग्स फॉर द फर्स्ट हाफ, इस फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है कि तारशा तारिया बोलती है यश को कि चल मेरे साथ डांस फ्लोर तोड़ते हैं, और यश जवाब देता है कि तोड़ना ही है तो पलंग तोड़ते ना। या दिस विश मी लक फॉर द सेकेंड हाफ।
Okay, so Toxic is done. That's 3.5 hours of my life I'm never getting back. Anyway, I need a fucking cigarette.
Guess who survived Toxic? Yeah.
भाई साहब, भाई साहब, what a film, dude. What a film. फर्स्ट हाफ कुछ और है, बीच में कुछ हो रहा है वो कुछ और है, एंड तो कुछ और ही है dude. बस पूरी पिक्चर में वो रह गया था, पापा मेरी जा हर दम रख रहा। ओ भाई साहब, क्या ही पिक्चर देख कर आ गए हैं भाई, क्रेजी। बहुत मज़ा आएगा रिव्यू में, ओह क्रेजी हो जाएगा। चलो सी यू ऑन द एपिसोड, बाय बाय।
Guys, we just got out of Toxic, and Toxic तो है मूवी, पर कुछ खास नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से। What do you think है?
मतलब ओके लगी, मतलब
Like
it was-
okay, just about okay ना, वही तो।
मतलब I didn't mind it.
मतलब again, just about okay, no? That's why just say it's okay only.
I don't want to say it's bad. It was not.
Yeah,
bad.
it's not that bad, but it's not that great also. It was all over the place. Would you agree?
The editing was like a fever dream. ऐसा लग रहा था I'm having a fever dream or I'm under some influence or something.
Yeah.
वैसे it was all over the place. I wouldn't say no.
Yeah.
But at least there was मतलब कुछ they were set in a direction. They were not वो ऐसे मतलब
मतलब इतना
do
भी
I explain
there was some plot, but the plot kept changing. The
How?
first half of the plot was him taking over the underworld and then
Yeah.
all the rivals
Right.
and all that shit.
Yeah.
And the second one just became like
so are we
okay,
giving spoilers?
somewhat spoilers, because the main spoiler will have to be in the review.
उनका चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा दिखाया and why did they want to cut scene ये दिखाया and then they showed
Oh. Then they showed
how it progressed. Abhi he fell in love and things happened, so you know.
I mean, yeah, nice. I mean, sure, I get it.
So
But
I
still,
don't
like,
know.
it,
I will.
it, firstly, like, it was still very, after all of that, it was very mid. There was so much happening. So many crime bosses kept coming, kept dying. Okay, it's mild spoilers.
So I might get hate for this, but I almost liked it.
Almost liked this movie.
Yeah. Don't judge. I liked it, so I liked it. ये क्या बात है?
That's true. I shouldn't judge,
Yeah.
but I can't help it.
I've seen much worse and a lot of much worse I have seen in the recent times. So, and it was firstly, it was beautifully shot. I
was beautifully
feel
shot, yeah.
all the shots, matlab,
All the
nothing
costume-
looked.
Costumes are pretty good.
Costumes were good. Everyone looked good. So it looked, matlab, visually it was nice. Music was made, BGM not so much. There was some cringe stuff, some cringe things definitely. But फिर वो तो वही लगता है मुझे, ये हर सब movies में होता है. तो at least if there is a payoff, I don't mind a little cringe.
Okay, sure. Like there were so many things, dude. Like they kept there was no normal conversation to be had in this entire movie.
Yeah, the
they-
dialogues were cringe.
The dialogues were very cringe. They kept talking in like this, I don't know, panktiyan kind of, not even muhavre. What would you call them? Kavitaएं. They kept talking in poetry and not in prose. Like what is this?
But, yeah, sure. That dialogues were cringe. I wouldn't say
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
The dialogues are cringe. The music was bad.
Yeah, sure. Also, like,
Kiara was beautiful.
Kya was beautiful. Tara Sutaria was beautiful.
And Yash, actually, you have to
Dude.
give the credit to him.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yash, I have to say, after watching this movie, I am a little optimistic about him playing Ravana.
Dude, that and dude, the guy can. Dude, what a character shift! Oh shit!
But
No,
people,
spoiler alert,
no, people
spoiler alert.
know that
Oh, yeah,
he's
people
playing
know he's
both the
like-
characters.
Oh yeah, what a character shift, dude!
Yeah.
What a character
Yeah.
shift!
Yeah.
That you have to give it to him, man.
Yeah.
The second character, just as to how different it is, and how different it has been played, and the first character is insanely good.
It is.
How and why that happens, you guys figure it out.
Yeah, so
But,
when
yeah.
people put in efforts and you can see the efforts and there is a good plot, I would say. Initially मुझे लग रहा था second half जब start हुआ कि you know कि where will they take this? I don't know.
That's true.
But,
Yeah, fair enough.
They did something. I didn't mind it. Yeah, that's it.
ओवरऑल एक बार देखनी है, देख सकते हो, ऐसे कुछ टेंशन नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. बट इट्स नॉट अ मूवी दैट्स गोना स्टे विद मी फॉर मच लॉन्गर. आई विल फॉरगेट मोस्ट ऑफ दिस because there was too much happening, and I'm sure she will also.
It was
but
a lot of noise also.
a lot of noise.
My head
And
is
dude,
hurting a little bit.
I have to say the action sequences got
Were very
repetitive.
repetitive, yes.
Like अगर knife fight है तो every sequence needs a knife fight, needs a gun fight,
Also,
going into knife fight, going into the thing.
scene भाई नहीं मुझे देखने इतने सारे.
इतने सारे sex scenes की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, correct.
मतलब Yash, what is?
Yeah, man.
So yeah. Yeah, that was a little bummer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, hello. I am back home. That was just my out of the theater thoughts about Toxic. I thought it came across a little flippant. So now that I'm back, it's been like around 45 minutes to an hour since I watched the movie. I've been mulling over it a bit. So I thought I'll just give you very quick pointers and thoughts of what I thought of the movie. Of course, a detailed review will be on the Pop Conversation podcast. So anyway, very quickly, now that I've thought a little bit about the film, तो हॉलीवुड में ना ये एक टर्म है जिसको बोलते हैं गॉन्जो फिल्म मेकिंग, विच इज़ व्हेन यू थ्रो एवरीथिंग ऑन द वॉल एंड like you take huge swings and just see what sticks. And I feel like Toxic देख के मेरे को वो feeling काफी आई. The one movie that I kind of kept thinking of while watching was Zack Snyder's Sucker Punch, if you have seen this, where it felt like the film had very, very interesting ideas. It was visually very appealing, but all of that just never came together. That was about Sucker Punch, and I think somewhat similarly about Toxic. Like I have told you guys throughout the evening, it's a lot of movie to take in. तो film बहुत लंबी है, and especially like I said, if you're not a fan of Yash or have not seen his previous work like I haven't, then it's a lot to take in. But I can't deny there are some visual flares in the movie. There is some risks that this film takes which you don't see very often in Indian cinema. So brownie points for that. But yeah, I'm still putting my thoughts together, but I'm glad I watched the film. अगर आपको मौका मिले तो actually I'll reserve my judgment about whether or not I'm recommending this film or not for the podcast. But it's an interesting film for sure. Lots of things. I mean, एक अच्छी बात फिल्म की ये होती है कि अगर आप फिल्म देखने के बाद बाहर आए हैं और अगर आप 10 मिनट बाद, 15 मिनट बाद, आधे घंटे बाद फिल्म पूरी तरह भूल जाएं, उससे तो ये बेटर है कि इट्स ऑलमोस्ट बिन नाउ एन आवर सिंस आई वॉच द फिल्म एंड आई एम बैक होम एंड thinking about, and the film is still sort of mulling over in my head. That's a good sign. That means that it has done something to my brain chemistry rather than just be volatile and evaporate. Last couple of minutes of this film are like full on gonzo, you know, go big or go home type of acting by Yash, which was very interesting. Anyway, Toxic, interesting movie, kind of a lot. I don't know if I am impressed with it or I'm recommending it, but it was an experience for sure. So I'll see you. I can't wait to find out what Antariksh and Snehal thought about the movie as well. तो पता चलेगा कल इस ब्लॉग के टाइमलाइन में हम कल रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, तो it'll be fun to discuss this movie, and I have a feeling we might or might not disagree. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you guys had fun. Please tune into the actual episode of the Toxic Review. Subscribe to the channel, become a member, and we'll bring you a lot more fun stuff in the future. तो देखते रहिए.
All right, chalo. See you again next episode. Oh, there's an episode probably dropping tomorrow. A big long review of Toxic. So stay around for that. If this is the last bit of the episode, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, become a member for exclusive, amazing content and free tickets, and tons more coming up soon. Bye bye.
आपको पता है जफार मेरी उंगली को क्या हुआ है? आपको पता है?
मेरा पता है, टिकट काउंटर पे बैठने का मन कर रहा है और जो भी टॉक्सिक की टिकट लेने आएगा उसको बोलने का मन कर, रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ, आगे खतरा हो सकता है. वो पुनीत सुपरस्टार का वो वाला रील याद है जो वायरल हुआ था वाला? आई थिंक दैट्स हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म. दैट इज क्वाइट लिटरली हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म. या एंड द ऑडियंस आल्सो गोज क्या देख रहे हैं. सॉरी बहुत एपिसोड पे मिलते हैं. हाँ, एपिसोड